LG Appliance Repair on the Treasure Coast. Same-day service on every LG appliance. LG makes quality appliances with some known issues that require experienced technicians. We know LG inside and out. LG refrigerators. The linear compressor is LG's most well-known issue. We diagnose compressor failures, check warranty eligibility, and handle the full repair process. We also address defrost sensor errors, fan failures, and ice maker problems. LG washers, generally reliable machines. When they do fail, it's usually the drain pump, door lock, or motor. LG's OE error code, drain clog, is the most common call we get. We carry drain pump filters and pumps for same-day resolution. LG dryers. The FlowSense feature is excellent for alerting you to vent problems. We see D80, D90, and D95 codes regularly. Professional vent cleaning resolves these. For no heat issues, we replace heating elements and thermal fuses. LG dishwashers, quiet and well-built. Most common repair is the drain pump. LG ranges, standard repairs. Gas igniters and electric elements. We carry OEM LG parts. We know LG's error codes, diagnostic modes, and service bulletins. Same-day service in Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, and Hope Sound. LG Appliance Repair. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.